charts.
Oscar Victor.
Okay, let's go forward. Now backwards. Reverse mode. Let's see how radio looks in the dark. All backlights are perfect. Now, in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to go from FM mode to middle waves. So now it's on FM mode. Simply press M button once. Now the Bluetooth is activated on the radio. Let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Here it is. Simply press it.
The Bluetooth device is connected.
It's connected now. All we have to do is play any music on our phone. How cool is that, huh? Radio from 1980s with the Bluetooth. Let's try another song. When you want to back to your FM mode, simply press U button once and you will be back to FM mode. Very simple to use. Thumbs up, guys.